OPPO has launched the Reno 16 and Reno 16 Pro smartphones in China. It comes in Moonlit Night Black, Galaxy Purple, and Heart Fluttering Stars color options. Reno 16 will be offered in Heartbeat, Moonlit Black, and Galaxy Purple shades. The OPPO Reno 16 features a 6.32-inch flat OLED display with 2640 by 1216 pixels resolution, up to 120 Hz refresh rate, and up to 3600 nits local peak brightness. The Reno 16 series with a triple rear camera system led by a 200-megapixel Samsung HP5 main sensor include a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens for zoom photography. The Reno 16 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8550 Super chipset, paired with LPDDR5X or LPDDR5 RAM, UFS 3.1 storage. Reno 16 packs a 6,700 mAh battery, support 80W wired fast charging. The OPPO Reno 16 starts at 3,499 Chinese yuan for the 12GB plus 256GB variant. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.